My daughter's headed off to college and she needed some sewing basics. This 2-pack came flat packed, individually packaged, 68 pieces, stainless steel scissors, 14 spools of thread, 30 needles, 3 buttons, 2 threaders, 10 colorful pins, 5 safety pins, a ripper, thimble, and a measuring tape, all conveniently stored in one easy-to-use package. It's about 4.5 wide by 4.5 tall and approximately 1 inch, 1 inch thick. So I feel like you could put it in any to-go bag. The zipper works quite well for me. Here's a look at that inch and centimeter measuring tape. The thimble is a ring style, not one that goes all the way around the tip. Probably easier to store in these elastics. The 14 spools of threads cover the basics colors and stay nice and aligned, even though I shook this thing pretty hard. On the opposite side, a seam ripper. You have a variety of safety pins, 3 emergency buttons to get you started, pins for sewing, and these scissors are stainless. Let's see if I can flip this around so it can be read. They do have a slight curve on the end. They seem pretty durable and steady at first glimpse of them. Obviously need to give those a good go, but it's nice to have them included so you have something at a close reach. 2-piece needle wheel. It rotates around each other to access over 30 different needle sizes. I found these to be super convenient in the past, and it's almost worth the cost of this case alone just for the convenience of being accessed all of those various size needles, and 2 needle threaders. Overall, the case is really convenient, compact, easy to go. It feels like a durable material about the size of my palm overall. I feel like I could shove this in any bag. I'm actually planning to keep one in my to-go bag and give one to my daughter to take for college. Seems like a great starter kit. Hope this was helpful.